I've been at this for, well, half the day yesterday and most of the day today, which we're already at 3 o'clock. I got up fairly early to get going, and I've got a used radiator and a used fan and a whole bunch of other accessories that I had to get from the junkyard. I buttered together one bumper cover from two. Didn't end up putting the new AC condenser in because it looks like mine miraculously survived. Worst case scenario, I have to tear the car apart and put this other one in. But for now, I'm going to just run this one and see what happens. And yeah, the car looks a bit ghetto, but it looks like a ghetto M5 now because it's got the big wide mouth lower grille. So, upgrade.